Shivers down your spine. What are goosebumps? We've all felt them, those tiny bumps erupting on our skin, often accompanied by a shiver. But have you ever wondered why they happen? Goosebumps. They're more than just a funny feeling. They are a physical reaction that tells a story about our body's history and its responses. They're a fascinating glimpse into our evolutionary past and the complex interplay of our bodies and minds. This reaction is deeply rooted in our biology. Scientifically, goosebumps are known as piloerection. This term might sound complex, but it describes a very simple process. This big word describes a simple process: tiny muscles contracting at the base of our hair follicles. When these muscles contract, they cause the hair to stand up. But why does our skin perform this curious trick? What purpose does it serve in our modern lives? The answer lies in a fascinating journey back in time. Our ancestors had much more body hair, and goosebumps played a crucial role in their survival. Goosebumps might seem strange, even a bit unsettling, but they are a remnant of a time when our bodies needed to react quickly to environmental changes. They actually served a vital purpose for our ancestors and continue to do so for many animals today. For instance, animals use this reaction to appear larger and more intimidating to predators. Understanding goosebumps means understanding how we fit into the grand tapestry of life on Earth. It's a small but telling detail of our shared evolutionary journey. Tiny muscles, big reactions, the biology of goosebumps. Have you ever wondered why your skin gets those tiny bumps when you're cold or emotional? Let's dive into the fascinating world of goosebumps. Imagine a tiny muscle attached to each hair on your body. These muscles are incredibly small but play a significant role in our body's response to various stimuli. These are the erector pili muscles, and they are the stars of the goosebump show. They are responsible for making your hair stand on end, creating those tiny bumps on your skin. When these muscles contract, they pull the hair follicle upright, creating that characteristic bump on your skin. This reaction is not just a random occurrence, it has a purpose. But what makes these muscles jump into action? What triggers this fascinating response in our bodies? The answer lies within our nervous system. Our brain plays a crucial role in this process, sending signals that activate these tiny muscles. When we experience certain sensations like cold, strong emotions, or even beautiful music, our brain sends signals through the sympathetic nervous system. This system is like a communication highway transmitting messages rapidly. This system controls our fight or flight response. It's an ancient mechanism that prepares our body to react to potential threats or intense situations. The sympathetic nervous system, upon receiving these signals, sends out neurotransmitters, chemical messengers that tell our bodies what to do. These neurotransmitters are like tiny messengers delivering important instructions. These neurotransmitters reach the erector pili muscles, causing them to contract, and voila! Goosebumps appear. This entire process happens in a matter of seconds, showcasing the efficiency of our body's response system. It's a fascinating chain reaction happening beneath your skin. Next time you get goosebumps, remember the incredible biological process that's taking place. It's a small but powerful reminder of how our bodies are designed to respond to the world around us. A hair-raising legacy, goosebumps, and our animal past. Have you ever wondered why we get goosebumps? It's a fascinating remnant of our evolutionary history. Think about a cat puffing up its fur when threatened. This reaction is not just random, it's a survival mechanism, or a bird fluffing its feathers on a cold day. These actions are instinctive responses to environmental stimuli. These animals, like our ancient ancestors, use goosebumps for a practical purpose: insulation and intimidation. It's a dual-purpose tool that has been crucial for survival. When our ancestors were covered in thick body hair, goosebumps served as a valuable tool. It wasn't just about looking scary, it was about staying warm and protected. In cold temperatures, the raised hairs would trap a layer of air close to the skin, providing insulation. This natural insulation was vital for maintaining body heat. This helped them conserve body heat, crucial for survival in harsh environments. Imagine facing the icy winds of the past without modern clothing. Goosebumps also played a role in making our ancestors appear larger and more intimidating to potential threats. This was essential for warding off predators and rivals. Think of it as a built-in defense mechanism. This reflex could mean the difference between life and death in the wild. While we humans have lost most of our thick body hair, the goosebump reflex remains, a fascinating echo of our evolutionary journey. It's a small but telling reminder of where we come from and how our bodies have adapted over millennia.